Start the segment right now, nigga. We
broke.
broke.
Yeah, we going.
Well, we ain't broke no more.
We need a proper introduction.
Here's a segment. We ain't broke. That's
definitely not.
My segment is.
We been broke. This is not broke.
Yeah, we been broke.
We been broke.
Nah,
this is not broke.
No, I don't even like that because broke is a mentality,
and we've had that mentality. We've been broke.
Yeah, we've been broke, but we broke that mentality.
Yes. We broke every chain.
So, I may be in the world compared to Bill Gates, Elon Musk. I am cash poor, liquid poor, whatever. But I'm on my way. I'm not broke. Broke is a mentality. Make sure you work that shit. It's in your head. Always in your head. I don't give a fuck. That's just.
Well, shit, both the mentality and the reality of it. I'm not broke.
Straight up.
I'm not broke. I may not have it just drop in your hand immediately, but I got it.
Okay.
I got it though.
Okay, so as far as talking this week and me being not broke, my nigga.
Right. So let's talk about this here. Oh, okay. That's what you wanted to?
I mean, you didn't get to steal the fucking words out my mouth.
I'm sorry. I was like,
nigga, like, don't tell, like, my story.
I was like,
don't tell my pain. Like, I want to tell.
Spoiler alert.
Like, let me tell you how I fucked myself with this option today.
All right. So
this week, man. Okay, so again, playing off the news of VXRT by the pub got this whole pill form of the vaccine and promising news and all that good shit. So it's like, okay, that's promising news. And so, like, I know I messed up because I thought it was gonna make a real jump real fast, but hey, you gotta play the market. It was it didn't really hit phase 1 trials. It didn't hit. Did they have a delay or something?
Yeah, there was a delay from starting the clinical trials.
Exactly.
And that's what I was saying that weekend before. It's like, yeah, that thing's looking good, but you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow.
Exactly. So
that
it's
news is just.
And honestly, when you have like consistent couple good days back to back, you expect the bad.
You gotta get lost. You can't win all the time.
Expect the pullback. But yeah, like just talk about losses and think about not being poor. And don't get me wrong, what I'm about to just say, the amount of money is, I'm not rich at all, so it's like I took a loss. Like I legit lost $755 to be exact on an option with VXRT.
Ooh.
I mean, you play big money just to because the possibility of it to make it back, and low key, it was a good play. Like I would always I know we gotta always mention, and you hear this all the time if you're a financial person, we are not financial advisors. We don't do all that shit.
Gotta have that disclaimer.
I mean,
we're not telling you what to invest in.
No, but
we're saying, here's what we're doing. Here's what I see. I could be wrong. You take that chance if you want to, if you see it. But I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, all that bullshit. So like, skip all the disclaimers and all that.
Just get it out the way.
Yeah. So, just hearing the good news and everything, so it's promising news. So it's like definitely if you guys are playing it long term, and I definitely got shares of it, so I don't feel bad. So it's definitely going to have its time. And if you're a chart person, if you're all that type of stuff, look at the charts, look where it's been, look where it's at, look where it's been, and it has the potential to do what it needs to do.
I got a question for you. So, when you did the option was for how many shares?
Alright, so I'm not going to explain options with this, just in case anybody, I'm not going to break it down. This is not that. You go to your own option class, there's plenty of people who got that. I'm just going to try real quick. Okay, I'm just going to say, if you know anything about options, I did 15 contracts. So, each contract is 100 options to own potentially 100 shares. Each contract. Okay. One contract is 100.
Fuck.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that was 1,500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Big money on the play. Told you big money on the play. Okay. So.
Wow.
Okay. So that was the potential to purchase it at that strike price and all that stuff.
Right.
And honestly, for I have to be candid with you guys. Like like everyone's gonna tell you about the win. They'll show you the screenshot. Oh, I won big. I did this and everything.
Let's see those losses.
Like my nigga, I will tell you, I lost hard. Alright,
let's see those losses.
And I'll tell you, if you know your rules of what you're doing and everything, you'll definitely avoid losses. But the thing is, you gotta make sure you stick to those rules because if you don't stick to those rules, you'll
lose big.
Yeah, you'll lose big, and you'll lose when you don't need to. Right. And low key, again, I played it in a route where I'm gonna break my rules and to see if I can win. And just being
that faith.
And being full, and yeah, I did have faith I had faith in a contract in a stock that the news was gonna hit the market. It was gonna be a potential.
Right.
There's a lot of good news that was going out with VXRT, and I still believe again, it's a long-term play.
Yes.
It's coming. I just looked in the option play I did. It was a weekly option, so I played it short term. I thought it was gonna have some good price movement this week. But that's on me. I'll take that. Like you have to be able to, like anybody who's been a veteran in the market will tell you, they've lost money. You'll lose before you win, and just as much time as you win, you just lose. So you got to be able to mitigate your losses, get your strategies together. And over time you get your percentages right. You get
And it's crazy. So with your option play, that came out to 1,500 shares. Me, as I'd like to tell people, I'm not an options trader. I have not really got into that, and I'm comfortable where I'm at for right now.
Yeah.
As a swing trader, I was looking for the swing trade.
Mm-hmm.
I was still looking for kind of a short term,
yeah.
But I know it could go long term. I know with an options contract, you got a certain time frame. You got to hit it or you got to get out.
Yeah.
You got to get it or you got to get out. But with the swing trade, you got more flexibility in the time.
Yeah.
So now, let's say it's down for X amount of time, you actually build up. You can load up more for that build up. So me, that's why I dropped 500 shares. I was like, let me get 500 shares. So you got 1,500, you got 1,000 more than me. I was looking for that swing trade, or whatever.
And see the difference. Okay.
And I lost a lot of money so far already on it.
But this is the great thing about it. You actually own those shares. And
you
actually own those shares. And then you still have the value of it.
Right.
I completely lost that 7. There's no way.
There's no way to recoup.
Yeah. I mean, I just put extra money into buying the extra shares that I have of VXRT.
I still have a way to recoup.
And I will tell you, I have nowhere near as much as him, but I did buy me enough. So, like, if it does run up, because I think it's currently trading somewhere between $6 to $7 right now. If it does run
right now, because I was just looking.
I think it's like $7.18 or something.
Yeah, a little come up, but not enough to get me out the red.
But
$7.13.
So yeah, I was close. But I believe, again, with the amount of shares I did purchase, I think I got almost around 40, 50. I don't remember. It's not a big. It's not nowhere near big. I will tell you that. But it'll be a little bit of profit back that I'll make back once it makes its run and hits its price target. What I will say, for all you people who getting into stocks and all that stuff, petersreport.com, get that newsletter. Learn about the charts. Like, you will get so much wealth of knowledge where you're not sitting there looking at asking people, hey, what stocks to buy. No. Like, think about all the potential stocks and products that you use in your house. Like, and then using the Peters Report, learning how to look at the market, using the money flow. Shout out to Gerald Peters. He doesn't pay us to do this, like anything like that. Nah, yeah. Honestly, like, again, you're gonna, once you get on this money path, money route, you're gonna always want to seek knowledge. And again, the Peters Report, again, he's gonna teach you taking a look at the market. When is the stock in stage 1, stage 2? Is it breaking out? Stage 3 is trading sideways. Stage 4 is falling down. Again, he'll tell you, and he makes it simple, but you gotta be disciplined to know how to apply it, because it's simple, but it's not simple in the sense of applying it.
Right.
Because that's the part where, because, okay,
there's theory and there's application.
Yeah, no, because again, okay, the stock could be in stage one, like, and the R side is really short, really undervalued. So it's like, okay, you think it's really undervalued right now? Let me buy in.
Time to buy in, right?
But then it's like, okay, so you're waiting. Okay, damn.
How long?
It did a little stage two breakout. It made a couple of dollars, but it didn't run up.
Right.
Now it's trading back and forth, just going, and it's now it's trading sideways. You think
Building.
like, damn, I'm like, fuck, all right, this shit's not doing that. Oh, it took a little dip. Damn.
Building.
But you gotta listen to him. He'll tell you how. I'm not going to ruin it for you, but he'll tell you what to do. All I'm just saying, where most people panicking, he's telling you, get your shit together and buy. And so low key, again, if you say these charts and you're looking, it's over time. So especially like if you're doing the long term, you're swing trading,
you can forecast.
Your swing trades can be weekly to monthly to quarterly, damn.
Biannually.
I mean, because sometimes the stock, okay, it has its stage one. You buy that at stage one where it was like $10, but your price target was $40.
Right.
So it jumps up to 15, but now it's trading sideways. It breaks down, goes back down to 12,
or 9.
and then it's gonna go. It's on an upward trend, but it keeps breaking down. It's never a flat way up.
Oh no.
Ask me what chart. Give me one chart. Tell me, Steven, have you seen one chart where it just went straight up all the whole time?
Definitely not. Ever.
That shit's not real.
It's not real at all.
Alright, so
not real at all.
So yeah, options. I will go back when I fucked myself with that one, and because I really anticipated the play was gonna be really crazy this week and everything, and it didn't happen. So it actually went the reverse. And again, I broke my own rules. I will tell you this: I broke my own rules, and this is why I lost the whole 750. If I didn't break my own rules, I'd be good. Like I wouldn't be, sometimes you lose plays. Like this ain't the first time I lost money on an option. I definitely made money on options before. Like I definitely made racks and shit. So it's like it's not something that I don't know how to do or haven't done before. It's just
you just have to provide the reality of it.
Yeah. So it's just like I don't like calling it gambling, but my nigga,
it's gambling.
I just don't like saying that.
It's better gambling than the other gambling. I mean, because you have better odds and better opportunities to learn shit.
The more DD you do,
exactly,
the less you feel like it's gambling.
And it's not counting cards.
And at the end of the day, even with the DD you do, it's still.
You never know what's gonna be said tomorrow.
Nah.
Or overnight.
If a nigga, okay.
Because honestly,
let's go to the next.
Yeah, honestly, exactly. It's like, all right, so investment bros. This is your boy Big Stevie B.